Hey, what you're about to see is the first lesson from one of Goalie's video classes teaching kids life skills. Go to getgoalie.com or stick around to the end of the video to learn more.
Hello kiddos! Today we're going to learn how to master the art of using a spoon in 3 lessons. Knowing how to use a spoon is a very important skill if you want to become more independent. Let's see what we're going to learn today. First, we'll be introduced to spoons. Then, we'll learn all about spoon handling techniques. Finally, we'll learn about scooping the food and taking a bite. All right, little food explorers, let's begin with our first lesson, Introduction to Spoons. Spoons have a handle which is used to hold them. They also have a round scoopy part that helps us pick up food like soup or yogurt. We use spoons when we want to eat foods that are more liquid-like. If we have solid foods like meat or vegetables, it might be best to use a fork instead. Your turn to practice. Which utensil is best for eating a delicious bowl of soup? A fork or a spoon?
This was just the first of a 3-part class on Goalie. To unlock the rest of the course, go to getgoalie.com. Your kids will learn way better on Goalie's distraction-free tablet, and you'll get access to hundreds of more video courses and routines to help them practice too. Drop a like and subscribe, and comment what you want us to teach your kid next.